Hello everyone, very warm welcome. I am Richa from Cambridge Montessori Preschool, Thane. I hope you all are doing very good and my little ones also doing good. As we see, we did many things practiced through video calls or through our videos like alphabets, numbers, shapes, colors, patterns, and playing with clay and many more. So today again I am here with a new concept to revise, to practice, which is days of the week and month's name. Okay, so we'll start with days of the weeks. So children, first of all we'll discuss how many days we have in a week. We have 7 days in a week. Can you repeat with me? We have 7 days in a week. It is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And again after Saturday comes Sunday. Okay, so we will see this in this manner. These are the days of the week. So first day is Monday, then comes Tuesday. Okay, so after Monday which day comes? Tuesday. Monday comes before Tuesday. Okay, so which day comes after Tuesday? Oh, Wednesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. Wednesday comes after Tuesday. And Tuesday comes before Wednesday. Okay. So, Monday. After Monday comes Tuesday. Then after Tuesday comes Wednesday. What comes after Wednesday? Let's see. Oh, after Wednesday comes Thursday. Thursday. After Thursday comes Friday. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, we can see which day coming after each other. Like Monday first, then after Monday, Tuesday, then after Tuesday, Wednesday, after Wednesday, Thursday, after Thursday, Friday, and after Friday, Saturday. And after Saturday comes Sunday. So, what day came before Sunday? Before Sunday came yesterday. Before Saturday came Friday. Like before Friday came Thursday. Thursday. Before Thursday came Wednesday. Before Wednesday came Tuesday. And before Tuesday came Monday. So these are our days of the week. We'll go again. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And simultaneously we are learning that which day comes after which day, and we are also learning before which day comes after any day. Like if I'll ask you which day comes before Wednesday, what you will give me answer? This is our Wednesday. Which day comes before Wednesday? This is Tuesday. If I will ask which day comes before Tuesday, so the answer will be Monday. Okay. And if I will ask which day comes after Friday, so what will be the answer? The answer will be Saturday. Saturday comes after Friday. Okay, so this is the way to learn our week of the days of the week. Okay, and we will learn all the days like that. The same way we will learn our month's name, months of the year. This January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So this is the way we will make a chart for our months. And the same thing, same practice we will do with these months name also, before and after. Alright. And I have mentioned numbers also with these months. So we can also practice that on which number which month come. Like in the year we have total 12 months in a year. Can we repeat once more? We have 12 years in a we have 12 months in a year. Okay, so we will repeat. January comes on number 1, February it's number 2, March comes on number 3, April comes on number 4, May comes on number 5, June comes on number 6, then July on number 7, August number 8, September number 9, October number 10, November number 11 and December is number 12. After December we finish 1 year, and from January again January comes and start a new year. Alright, and with the name of months also we will practice which months comes after which month and before. Alright, let's say if I'll ask which month comes after March, so our answer will be April month. And if I'll ask which month comes before May, then our answer will be again April, as April comes before May but it comes after March. So this is the way we will learn our months of the year and days of the week. Hope you will all do the practice in the same way and will be perfect in answering which months comes after or which months come after or before, and which months comes on which number. So month number also you will be able to know. Hope you will enjoy and remember all the things. We will meet you again very soon. For then, till then, bye. Thank you.